To add an alert, on the right-hand side under Client Alerts, click Add Alert. From here on the top, we can add the flag or not. And then if we do want to add a flag, we have to indicate which locations we want to prevent the client from booking services online. Underneath that, note visible for. So is this note that we're adding visible for my eyes only? So as a staff member that's logged in right now, to all the staff or staff and customer. So say I want to leave this note for the staff and the customer to see, and maybe notice clients left their wallet behind, staff picked it up, and it is secured behind the front desk. Please ask front desk reception to retrieve wallets. So maybe that's a note that we want to leave, and once we've set this up, we can save it. And once we save this alert, we're going to be able to see it on the client profile. If we've set it up so that the client can see it, the client will also see it when they log in online to their client web app or their Achieve app. And if I were to search for this client, Carrie Lee, under here, I will now see a new indicator in this yellow circle with a little cautionary sign. And if I hover over it, I will be able to see all the notes that have been taken for this specific client just by hovering over the indicator. And to flag the accounts, we can go back in. We can simply just click on the little add a pencil icon. Let's say I want to add a flag to this. Maybe the note was client was being rude and obstructive in the last class. Maybe that was what we had as a note. Okay. And so in this case, we want to flag the clients from being able to come in. Let's say to both our locations. We can do so. We can save it. You'll notice once that it's saved, you'll notice that this has turned from orange to red. There's a little flag icon there. And on the very top, we can also see the multiple locations that this client is flagged at. If I search for this client again, we'll still see the cautionary indicator along with the note that we left. If we want to remove this note entirely or unflag it, we can just go back to the edit icon. We can unflag it just by deselecting. We can save it first just to see how it'll look like, right? It'll go back to that orange cautionary sign. And if we go back into the edit icon again one more time, we can remove this entirely.